Hello students, today we are going to discuss your worksheet number 75, class 9 science, English medium. Today we will discuss about the pathogens. We have seen that we fall ill due to variety of infectious agents. Why should we learn about these diseases and their causative agents? We know that disease where microbes, infectious or causative agents are immediate cause are called infectious diseases. जहाँ पर भी microbes या causative agent जो है microbes होते हैं उनको infectious disease कहा जाता है. We should learn about categories of infectious agents because they help us in deciding about the kind of treatment to use against them. Example, antibacterial medicine work only against bacterial infection and not against the disease caused by virus or other pathogen. There are many organisms that can cause disease in human beings and there is a wide range of such categories. Some of these are bacteria, viruses, fungi and protozoans. So what are pathogens? These are the disease causing agents that cause disease in our other organisms. These pathogens includes harmful microbes or microorganisms such as bacteria, virus, fungi, protozoans and parasitic worms. Next is vectors. Vectors are those organisms that carry a pathogen from the host to the healthy, like mosquito, rat, dog, monkey, flies, any can be vector. Rabies is a vector borne disease. So this is the list of the different disease like tetanus, typhoid, pneumonia, plague, tuberculosis, leprosy, cholera. All these are bacterial diseases. This is influenza, dengue, chickenpox, smallpox, measles. All these are viral. These are the malaria, leishmaniasis, काला आजार जिसको कहा जाता है, sleeping sickness, trypanosomy and amebiosis. All these are protozoal. Parasitic worm causing disease, ascaris, pinworm, tapeworm, hookworm, elephantiasis. And disease caused by fungi is candidiasis, nail infection and ringworm. So I think you should draw this table also in your notebook for further revision. First two questions. Are all microorganisms harmful to us? Explain. Some microorganisms are not harmful. In fact, some are quite helpful, like bacteria that is found in yogurt, but a majority of them causes a lot of disease in man and other organisms. What are infectious disease? Infectious disease are disease caused by living like viruses and bacteria. They can be passed from person to person through body secretion, insects or other means. Examples are SARS, influenza, common cold, tuberculosis, hepatitis. Name 5 disease caused by bacteria and 5 by viruses. So you can write from this 5 disease from bacteria and 5 by viruses. Question number 4, name the causative agent of kala azar and sleeping sickness. So kala azar is caused by the protozoa, which is leishmaniasis. Sleeping sickness is trypanosomy. These are the two diseases, and this completes your worksheet also.